trying to find safety glasses, that's where I landed. So it's better than nothing. I know I'm going to look goofy on camera, but you know, it's better than something in the eye. But, It's really nice, but I think it's getting, like, I haven't even used it that much, but it's getting to where it'll sound like it's got its own little breaker, and sometimes it doesn't want to keep working. Hard stone. And most of my electric tools and stuff like this, man, I am a big fan of Harbor Freight. Stuff is a whole lot better quality than a lot of people think. So, I have damaged my hearing the last few years in the shop. It's not wearing ear protection, and so my ears will probably be ringing later. So I forget to put them on. Has a safety little tag on it, but it's such a, you'll lose a finger eventually. Last one. A flapper wheel thrown here. Or call that done. May not get to the lights tonight as much as I want to. Promised wife I'd cook dinner. Just clean up. I'm gonna shoot some paint on all this, just because. Well, that's cleaned up. Like I said, I those tabs weren't hurting anything. It just bugged me. So I wanted to get this. These tabs definitely weren't hurting anything. They were sharp. Whoever had cut off whatever the bracket went to left it sharp, and they just folded it over. And while I've been messing with the bumper, I have poked myself on it. But yeah, we're probably gonna call it a night for the day. Call it a day for the night, however you want to put it. But I will eventually get to still the camera here and kind of show you up under here if you can see. Oh, that's still hot. So some of the wiring it's speaker wire. Said like all the rock lights that are underneath right now are ran with. That doesn't so much look like speaker. Well, I mean, like some of it's straight up the clear speaker wire. Like I don't know who did it. I'm not talking bad about them. I'm just saying that it could be done better. So next video, I'll be working on that. I'm gonna shoot some paint on this, let it cool off, and then I'll shoot some paint on it. You can see here, a closer view. It didn't hurt anything with those tabs still being there. Now these actually just unbolt. There's a bolt under there that I'll unbolt that. But I will let that cool, shoot some black paint on it, just for shits and giggles of it. And not like I'm trying to build a show rig or anything here, but you know, obviously got bare metal. But this way, if in the future, if I do decide to attach anything there, or for any reason, it's already cut up and clean to go. I'll just have to knock the paint off of it and go. But thank you all for watching, and like I said, not the most exciting of videos, but like I said, it's trying to get some more content out there. Again, thank you for following along. If you like, hit the smash and subscribe button. I sure do appreciate you. And get an extreme close up here. But thank you, and get back to work here real soon. Trying to get more stuff done out here on the weekends while I'm off. I got a long list of honeydews also that I've been neglecting because I've either been playing with this or been going riding. So I really need to get off my ass. So just to follow up, I have now painted after removing those tabs, and it looks pretty good. The nuts aren't going anywhere. And not great, no horrible welds. I left this tab on here because that is one of the brackets that held the factory gas tank on, and so at first I was going to leave them under there for in case I ever decide to put this back on gas. But the more I think about it, that's highly unlikely, even if I do a motor swap, which the motor swap I'm thinking about doing eventually when this motor tires out is a Chevrolet 4.3 V6 with a turbo 350 trans paired to the factory transfer case. I've seen rigs like that done online, and I think that it would be pretty tough. It would be a major horsepower increase over the factory engine, and but I don't know. I think I'll even put that on propane too if I did that. So I'll probably wind up cutting that off eventually. For right now, though, I'm just going to leave it. So it looks much better than it did. Shot a little black to it. Looks way better, way cleaner.